Absolutely delicious. Hello, I'm your college cook. Happy Cinco de Mayo. To celebrate what day it is, we're going to be making some guacamole. Now, there's going to be a lot of cutting, so be sure to have a stable cutting board. For this guac, we're going to cut some tomato, onion, jalapeño peppers, some pretty points of cilantro, and of course, the avocado. Little misconception about Cinco de Mayo. A good chunk of people still think that today is our Mexican Independence Day, when it actually isn't. Our Independence Day is actually September 16th. The 5th of May is actually a celebration of beating France back in 1862. That was called the Battle of Puebla, and it only lasted about a day. You know, the 5th. It was September 16th when we actually gained independence from Spain. Cinco de Mayo is mostly celebrated in Puebla, Zaragoza, which is where, you know, all this took place. But over time, more and more places wanted to contribute to the celebration, and in America it became a day to celebrate all of Mexican culture. Honestly, more of my American friends celebrate today than my Mexican friends. Anyways, I'm using a white onion today, but if you don't want the intense oniony taste, a red onion would be better suited for you. I actually think that would help out for a lot of people who don't like onion. If you ever make something and the taste of onion is too strong, swap it out for a red onion. The taste isn't as strong, but you know, the overall onioniness would still be there. Okay, a little thing about jalapeno peppers. To me, these are not spicy, but they were cheaper. If you want something more spicy, go for Serrano peppers. They're smaller, skinnier, but they're spicier. Those are my go-to peppers. If you want to do the opposite and do less spicy, but still want to have peppers, cut them in half and de-seed them with a spoon. Also, if this is your first time cutting peppers, be sure to wear gloves. The spice rubs into your fingers and it can linger for a while, so please be careful. I heard that 20% of the world population tastes cilantro as soapy, and now I just feel bad for all those times I've called it pretty points. Now we get to the main course, the avocado. Be sure to let these rest on the counter. We want mushy, ripe avocados, not hard ones. Here we have some delicious looking avocado. Delicious looking avocado. I know you've seen people jab the knives into the pit. Don't do that. So instead, let's safely push the back of the avocado with our thumb. And boom. Easier and safer. Great combination. Now, we just scoop them all out with a spoon and add everything together. Adding a spritz of lime juice, some salt, and some pepper. If you want smoother guacamole, add some more lime juice to the mix. The more juice, the smoother. I like mine pretty smooth. Just start mixing until you're happy with how it looks, and bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful. All we gotta do now is try it out and enjoy. Absolutely delicious. I hope this video helped you out, even if it's just a little, you know, just a little homemade guacamole. I hope you have a good Cinco de Mayo. This is probably all I'm gonna do for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.